Hello friend, this is Samir from Mustech, and in this video I am talking about new Instagram update. Recently Instagram launched SloMo. You can do filters from Boomerang, and in this video we are talking about how to use these filters. To use this filter, first open the Instagram on your mobile phone and simply click on camera icon, and after that swipe left and you will get Boomerang options. First make the Boomerang video by clicking on camera icon, and after that you have to click on infinity icon, which is at top of your mobile screen. So click on infinity icon and it will give you different option at the bottom. So simply first click on first option and it will process your Boomerang video, and you will get SloMo Boomerang video. And if you click on next icon, and it will also process your Boomerang video, and it will give you eco filter Boomerang video. And if you click on last options, it will also process your Boomerang video, and it will give you duo filter Boomerang video. And these are the new filters by Instagram. SloMo you can do for your Boomerang videos. Here you can see at the bottom you can also trim your video as per your requirement, edit, and it will also process video. You can trim video, and if you satisfied with your trimming and new Boomerang filters, simply click on done. And you can see at the top you can also use stickers, different filters in your story. And after editing, simply click on done, and you can post this new Boomerang video to your story, or you can send to your Instagram stories. And if you like this new Instagram SloMo you can do filters for Boomerang, please like the video and share with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. And that's it for this video guys. See you in next one.